Hi, I'm Van Willard with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to be looking at a premier PTX Sunsation. And when you see this boat, you're going to find it's got some extra features that you haven't seen before. Okay, this boat has an extremely large amount of room for a fishing model. It does have the couch seating up here with the loungers. And then here we have the in-floor ski storage, which is about 6 feet long, so you can store your items in there. What we have here is our elevated pedestal here, which is puts you above the passengers in the front seat here, so you're able to see all the way around in a 360. Also, we have a Simrad GPS system, which is built into the dash here. And then, of course, we have a full instrumentation. Here we have our L-shaped lounger that faces towards the front next to the captain, so it's very comfortable, and there's storage under all our seating. Okay, this is our fishing console, and as you can see, it's very large. What we have is storage in this area located here with our bait well, and then here we have our in storage here for our large fish, and also a storage compartment here. Down below, we have our tackle box area here, and then another drawer for storage. Now, this console also has 2 dual batteries with a battery charger and a Perco switch, all built in, hidden away, very easy to get to from the rear of the boat. On the rear of the boat, we have a 4-step ladder, stainless ladder, and then here we have our 150 horsepower Mercury motor and ski tow bar here. So this is a combination tow bar, wakeboard, surfing, whatever you might want to do. Okay, here's a unique feature of this boat that you won't find on any other boat that I know about that is available on the Premier 230. This door swings out and around, and now you have an open area here to fish with your rod and reel with no interference. So if you catch the large, big fish, it's going to be easy to get into the boat. Again, this is a Premier 230 Sunsation. You can see this boat at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft in Fort Worth, Texas. My name is Van Willard, and my number is 972-835-8788. Thank you.